In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rank correlation index indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through this step by step, so even if you're newer to TradingView or to using indicators in general, you'll be able to follow along and have this set up in just a couple of minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and custom scripts live. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see several sections or tabs. Here, you want to click on the section labeled Technicals. This is where you'll find most of the standard technical analysis indicators that traders use, and it's also where we'll be searching for the rank correlation index. Inside the technicals section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is really handy when you know exactly what you're looking for, because it saves you from scrolling through a long list. Click into that search field so it's active and ready for typing. Now type rank correlation index into the search bar just like that. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Once you see rank correlation index appear in the list, all you need to do is click on it. As soon as you select it, TradingView will add the indicator to your chart, usually in a separate panel beneath your price chart. Take a moment to confirm it's there and visible. You can drag the edge of the panel to resize it if you want more or less space. At this point, you've successfully added the rank correlation index indicator to your TradingView Pro chart. If you want to customize it further, you can click on the settings icon next to the indicator's name to adjust things like colors, line thickness, or the input parameters, depending on how you prefer to analyze your charts. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you'd like to unlock additional features, make sure to use the sign up link in the video description. It's a quick way to get started with the same layout and tools you're seeing here. That's all there is to it. You've added the rank correlation index in TradingView Pro quickly and easily.